bold, outrageous, undeniably gorgeous, just like you. Ingredients. Guess what we're doing today? We are doing a creamy lemon broccoli and sausage pasta bake. Yes, of course, using one of my 5, the top selling sauce across the United States of America, the Lemon Temptress creamy lemony sauce that I created in 2024 is now at 1 million bottles sold across the United States at Walmart and online. So today, what are we doing? Well, I don't have a lot of time. My son is really hungry. So we are creating a very gorgeous cream of broccoli using the creamy lemon base and then baking it all together with melting mozzarella. It's going to be a fun of flavors. It's perfect to kick off 2026 because it's gorgeous. It's got protein, it's got broccoli, parmigiano, sausage, but it also is melting comfort for you in this gorgeous, warm and fuzzy bake. First thing first, you want to add broccoli. One of my favorite things. So we are going to boil them until they're nice and soft. A little salt. Okay, because I really do not want to clean too many pots. We're actually going to be using 2 pots. Well, one is kind of a baking dish. One is my stock pot for the broccoli and the pasta. I'm gonna cook the pasta inside the same as the broccoli. And then the baking tray dish, this gorgeous copper, that's going to be the serving tray. But also, we're going to sizzle some sausage in it. The sausage we're using today is your typical Italian sausage. It's got these gorgeous fennel seeds inside, some spices. I think it really does taste incredible. And I really want to go over these iconic pasta bakes that our great-grandmothers, grandmothers used to make and still make, because they are really a composition of an old way of reusing or making sure we're not wasting anything in the fridge. You know, back when food availabilities wasn't as abundant as nowadays, our nonnas taught us to use anything we had in our pantries, in our refrigerators, whatever was in the kitchen, whatever ingredient you had to use it to feed large families. So these kind of pasta bakes where we combine so many different food groups are really an attempt to not only feed and nourish, but also use whatever ingredient you have so it doesn't go to waste. And these sausages are really such a staple in southern Italian cooking. My family makes sausages, the neighbor's family makes sausages, we exchange different type of sausages and we use them in weekly cooking menus. In this case, I'm really gently browning the sausage, setting it aside, and remember this tray, it's obviously going in the oven and baking afterwards. And I'm just really cleverly using it to sizzle and brown the sausage because you know what? Why do you have to complicate your life and use 3, 4 different trays, pans, saucepans, stock pots for one dish? So the next thing we're going to be doing is obviously using my Lemon Temptress creamy lemon sauce as the base to blend the broccoli with. Then we're going to drain the pasta, toss it in, use fresh cow's mozzarella, parmigiano reggiano, a little salt, a little pepper, and bake it in the oven. You know, all my life, all I've wanted to do is make beautiful things and to create moments. And for that, I've created 5 amazing sauces. Now, what is it with these sauces? First of all, you should have a dozen of each in your pantry just because. Today we're using Lemon Temptress, created by yours truly. The pasta goes in. A little extra salt, of course. A little starchy pasta water, also known as the tears of the pasta gods. If you know, you know. Save these for pickling. Immersion blender. Oh, always taste more for salt. Salt is a blessing. Buonissimo. The lemon and the broccoli, fire. Have your oven ready because we're basically there. The pasta is almost al dente with us in everything together. This is going to be mind-blowing, just like you for 2026. Mind-blowingly gorgeous. Dove sta la grattugia? Perché prendete sempre le mie cose? Perché it is copious amount of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. This is going to make that little gorgeous crunchy top. I can't believe I forgot the pepper. A scrunch of pepper. Now in the oven for 30 minutes. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Wow, we created magic out of nowhere. We thought about it, we used the sauce, and guess what? What if you want to use the creamy lemon sauce with the 4-cheese sauce? Or maybe even make a gorgeous arrabbiata marinara pasta bake. Same concept. You can add anything you love, anything you have left over in the fridge. Any type of cheeses can go together. And I've created these little love potions just for you. See you next week.